Shorty, whichever you want to call me, and in today's video we're going to be reacting to two different things by Wish. Songbird, the Korean version, was released, as well as something the other day called Tears Are Falling Korean version, the summer movie. So I figured we would react to both today. And before we get into it, I just want to say I'm so sorry if you can hear noise outside. I am going to try to quiet down the outside noise as much as possible. But there's like construction going on or something on the road, literally right outside the house. So sorry about that, but I wanted to react for you guys anyways. Also sorry if my voice sounds a little bit hoarse. It has kind of been on and off the past couple days, kind of doing this. So we will see what that is all about. But yeah, let's just get into this. Okay, so we're gonna start with the Tears Are Fallen Korean version summer movie. So let's do this. It's so weird to see Yushi with a dark color hair. He's had such light hair this whole time. Oh, you're kidding me. Shiana's too stunning. Oh my god, Jihee! I always love hearing his voice because he doesn't get too many lines. This video's adorable so far. Oh, the little dog. I love all their matching little rainbow gummy bear bracelets. They're so cute. I love Sakia's voice so much. I love how Wish has all such distinct voice. Oh, that was very cute. How you can just tell exactly who's singing all the time. I love it. The stuff in the pool is so cute. Oh, that watermelon looks good. I haven't eaten yet. This is so pretty. This is so cute. Oh, it was so short. It's just over 2 minutes though, so. Oh my god. That was so freaking cute. I listened to the Japanese version of that song when Songbird, the Japanese release, came out, and I absolutely loved it. It's like kind of different for them. It's a little bit slower than everything they put out so far. So I think that's like one of my favorite things about like newer groups is you really get to like kind of see how like their music changes, and you know, like when they do like a ballad for the first time or something, or like whatever, it's like really cool to hear kind of all that kind of thing. But yeah, I really liked that. That video was absolutely adorable. All the stuff in the pool was so cute. Xian looked really good. He looked so hot. But they all looked so good and sounded so good as always. And yeah, I say we just get right into Songbird, the Korean version. Here we go. Okay, Riku's arms out. Yushi's blue hair is so pretty. Should have like black in his hair? He does! It's so pretty. I like these little gray outfits. They're cute. let's ride. I got nothing to go on. I love the pink and sheen. Whoa, okay, Jaehee. I feel like I don't remember that from the Japanese version. Wow, Rigo looks good in this outfit. Oh. I love their choreo. They've had such like fun, good choreo so far. And all like their music. I like these outfits a lot too, they're blue ones. Oh, I love this part. The harmonies are so pretty. Yeah, dance party! Yeah. I just noticed Saki it's in overalls in the gray outfit, that's so cute. Yeah. I wonder if Xian can actually drive or not. I love this part too. Like, okay, Rika with the deep voice. I also noticed they put Ryo in a hood again in the gray outfit, and I feel like if there's ever a chance for them to have a hood up on him or like put a beret on him, they're gonna do it. And honestly, as they should, because he looks so freaking adorable in the little hoods they got on, the little berets. It's so cute. So honestly, I'm not mad at it. It's just so cute that he's always in those. I loved it. I feel like there was a couple little changes. I don't quite know the Japanese version well enough quite yet to tell if I'm right about that or not. But I feel like there were a couple like little beat changes or something maybe. Again, could be wrong, whatever. But yeah, I absolutely loved that. I really liked both of those. Like I said, I listened to obviously Songbird and Tears of Falling, the Japanese version when they came out, and that's my reaction to Songbird. And I have to say, thank you for all the love on that video, by the way. You guys are amazing, and I loved all the comments and stuff like that. So thank you so much. It made me very, very happy. So yeah, I don't know really what else to say. I don't think I have too much else to say about that. Wish she killed it as always. And I'm just so excited to keep seeing what else they do. I've seen some people really start to acknowledge them as NCT, which is fantastic. Obviously there's still some out there who don't want to, but those just aren't N-citizens to me. Those aren't true N-citizens. They are NCT Wish, they're part of NCT, and they're amazing, they're killing it. The rest of NCT really seems to like them a lot and everything, so yeah, I just wish some people would give Wish. I wish some people would give Wish a chance because they are absolutely incredible and they're killing it. So yeah, I think that is all I have to say. If you guys liked the video, make sure you give it a like, subscribe down below, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I upload. And thank you again for all the love on my last Wish reaction. And I think that is it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay?